It just don't look cheap. You know how like those cheap shorts, it just looks so cheap. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where I do beauty, hauls, or everything lifestyle. I'm a mom and I love to shop, but I like to shop with a budget. If you are new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get right to it. Today, I'm doing express haul. So I like to feel good. I like to feel comfortable in my jeans or my shorts. My favorite place to go to is Express. I love Express. We actually have an Express outlet. I feel like Express jeans and shorts quality, well, Express everything that's there is awesome. The jeans always fit on my little mommy pudge. It's always good quality. Every time when I wash it, it never changes colors. It's never dingy or anything like that. So if you'd like to see more of this haul, just stay tuned. Let's get right to it. First ones I have is my favorite shorts that they have. These are the stretch Shortie high rise, and I get a size 8 in these as well. And this is how they look like, and I just love how it has like the distress in them, the distress at the bottom, oh my goodness, and the distress at the back, but it's not a lot. You know how certain shorts or even certain jeans, they have too much distress going on and it just looks so cheap. I don't like that. But what I like about these shorts is you can wear this with anything. You can wear this with what plain white shirt, you could wear a tank top, black, you know, you could jazz it up or jazz it down. And also the stretch in these are awesome. You know, it covers up the tummy. It just don't look cheap. You know how like those cheap shorts, it just looks so cheap. And they're not short shorts. They're not like shorty shorts. So you're not gonna show your butt. You're not gonna be showing anything like that. So this is what I love about it, because when I'm on the go, grab these bad boys when it's hot. Literally in North Carolina, it is like 90, almost clear 100 degrees today. So I am going to be wearing these today. One that I have are the Denim Perfect Stretch Plus Midi High Rise, and I wear a size 8 because I like for it to stretch and I like for it to just feel comfortable on the mommy tummy. Okay, I mean, I don't have a big one, but still I have a little pudge. So this is how it looks like, and I love how the way it just holds my curves, even though I don't have a lot of curves, but it just holds what it needs to hold, and it doesn't feel like it's just falling down. Also, I love how the little bottom part where it folds, it doesn't really like, I know I had some like pants and some shorts where it always folding over, and you keep on fixing it. Something about Express jeans, y'all, they always do good. I don't know, I just love how it just stretches. See how it stretch? What jeans do that? I'm just saying. What I have are these light whitewash jeans, well, leggings, that's what they call it. They call it leggings, but I'm telling you, the quality is so good that you would think that these are just regular jeans from Express. So they call it the Ultimate Stretch Legging Mid-Rise Jeans. You guys, these are one of my favorite jeans. These are in a size 6 just because I wanted a little snug on the top part. I love how it fits my thighs and everything in between. This is my favorite part of the jeans. I don't know, it's something about the little details. Last but not least, these are the summer fave that I love. I love these jeans, well, the beginning of the summer and going towards fall. These are my favorite. I don't know, it's just the color. It can go with anything. These are legging mid-rise, and these are size 8. These are more of a darker, well, it's not darker wash, but it's like a mid. It's not too light, but it's not too dark. It's just right. Another thing that I like about the jeans are this little embroidery on your booty. So cute. I like the little sides as well, so this is really nice, and it hugs your body like your life depends on it. and I feel so comfortable. You know how like when you have those jeans where you don't feel comfortable, and every time we sit down, no, you can eat your food and everything and you still feel comfortable. You don't have to unbutton your jeans or anything like that. I love Express, and it's affordable. Some things you have to get stuff when it's on sale. They'll have like buy one get one 50, or they'll have with their jeans buy one get one free, or sometimes they'll have their jeans, especially the outlets, their jeans I think $29 or $25. And for the shorts, I know this summer they had it for $19 for all the shorts. They went so fast. For watching this video, if you really love this Express haul, please like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think, and let me know what type of hauls that you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye, you guys.